We'll guide you through how to get the latest Dropbox news today. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website by typing in dropbox.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the menu at the top or the bottom of the page. It can vary depending on updates, but typically, you'll find a section called Company or, sometimes, About Us. Click on that section. Within this area, there should be a link or tab for News or Press, where Dropbox posts its latest updates, press releases, and news articles. This is where you can read about their newest features, collaborations, or any changes they are implementing. If you want to stay updated without having to constantly check the website, consider subscribing to their newsletter, which you can often find at the bottom of the news or press page. Simply enter your email address where prompted, and you'll receive updates directly to your inbox. You can also follow Dropbox on their official social media channels like Twitter, Facebook, or LinkedIn for real-time updates and announcements. These platforms often highlight major news and provide additional insights into their operations and community engagements. By following these steps, you'll ensure you're always in the loop with the latest Dropbox happenings. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.